Now let us look into question number 14. This is a structure that's been given to us. CH3C linked with CH3 on two sides, CH2Br. Let us try naming this structure. This will be a first carbon atom, second carbon atom and third. Why is this the first carbon atom? Because to this carbon atom the halogen is attached. So what type of carbon atom is this? It's a primary carbon atom because this carbon atom is in turn linked with one another carbon atom or directly with two hydrogens. So either way it's going to be a primary carbon atom. And what is the name of this compound going to be? It's going to be 1-bromo 2,2-dimethyl and it is 3 carbon atom saturated propane. I repeat, 1-bromo 2,2-dimethyl propane will be the name of this compound. It is subjected to SN1 reaction in presence of ethanol, ethyl alcohol and it is forming A. And A is, we need to recognize what will be the product obtained when a primary carbon atom is subjected to SN1 reaction mechanism. We have learned in the concept of haloalkanes and haloarenes that SN1 reaction mechanism is readily done by tertiary carbon atom and its reactivity is greater than secondary carbon atom, its reactivity is greater than primary carbon atom. But here the carbon atom under consideration is a primary carbon atom. That means it's going to be least reactive and the product form will also be slightly different. Now let us look into the various options. Option A tells us that CH3C, CH3 as it is here. Then here instead of CH3 it is OC2H5. Then instead of this CH2, CH3. Is this the compound that we are going to get? That means what would be the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl. It is 4 carbon atom and saturated. So therefore butane. Option B. Again it is ethoxy propane. Then this will be ethoxy 1,2-dimethyl propane, ethoxy 1,2-dimethyl propane. And what about this? Again it's ethoxy 2,2-dimethyl propane. Of the 4 options given to us, which will be the correct answer? Let us look into the all possibilities. Let me just first write the structure that's given to us. CH3 linked with central C, which is on both the sides up and down, is linked with CH3, and on the side it's linked with CH2 and it's linked with Br, and it is now subjected to the treatment with C2H5OH. Now what happens here? This Br will come out because the bond between the Br and the C cleaves and this Br comes out. Here also this ethanol will now form the ethoxide ion and H plus ion. This H plus ion will combine with Br minus and goes out as HBr. Therefore this carbon center will be now experiencing deficiency of electron. So now it will form a carbocation. CH3, then CH3 above and below as it is. What is the case now? It's going to be CH2. This will be now carrying a positive charge and it is now having the ethoxide ion as it is. C2H5O minus. Now what happens? Because there is a positively charged carbon center, this electron cloud from here shifts there. So as a result, what is the product we are going to get? And in this place, OC2H5 will take a linkage. So CH3, this CH3, then let me link with this C, then above it is CH3. Now this has got shifted here. So So it's going to be CH2, CH3 because this has got a shifting here, and in this place it will be linked with OC2H. This will be the product that we will be getting when this carbon atom, what's the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. 1 bromo 2, 2. 1 bromo. Then 2, 2 dimethyl. 1 bromo 2, 2 dimethyl. 3 carbon atoms saturated. So prop and A. 1 bromo 2, 2 dimethyl propane will result in the formation of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 we see ethoxy, 2 ethoxy, then 2 methyl, 2 ethoxy, 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, and they are all saturated. Butane. 4 carbon atoms in because it is saturated. So let us match which is the one which is matching with the structure. Option A is the one which matches as per the answer that we have got, and all other 3 options actually do not match as per the product that we have got. So the correct answer is option A. Answer is option A. Here we need to understand the changes because of the involvement of a primary carbon atom towards SN1 reaction mechanism in an alcoholic medium.